Today, I want you to understand something that can transform every dimension of your life. Your relationships, your health, your finances, your sense of fulfillment. I call it unleashing the power within. What does that mean? It means recognizing that right now, in this very moment, you have a force inside you far more powerful than any excuse, any limitation, any fear that has ever held you back. We've all been conditioned. From childhood, we were told what to believe, how to behave, what's possible and what's not. And here's the truth. Most people live their entire lives inside a story they didn't even write. Maybe you've been telling yourself, I'm not enough. I don't have the resources. I'm too old. I'm too young. I'm too broken. But I'm here to tell you, those are just stories. And stories can be rewritten in an instant. The first step to lasting change is absolute clarity. You need to know what you want with such certainty that nothing can distract you. Vague goals produce vague results. So don't say, I want to be happier. What does that look like? What would you see, hear, feel if you had the life you dream of? Close your eyes for a moment. See it in detail. Feel it in your body. Because when your vision is clear and compelling, it pulls you forward. Step 2 is raising your standards. Every breakthrough starts when you decide, I will no longer settle. If you look at any area of your life you're unhappy with, your body, your career, your finances, it's because you've been willing to tolerate it. The day you say, enough, no more, this is not my destiny, is the day everything begins to change. And then comes the third step, changing your limiting beliefs. Beliefs are like unquestioned commands that shape your destiny. If you believe you're not worthy, you'll never take action. If you believe success is reserved for other people, you'll never step into your power. So ask yourself, what beliefs have been running my life? Are they empowering me or imprisoning me? You don't have to believe the same old lies. You can create new beliefs, beliefs that support your vision. Instead of saying, I can't, start telling yourself, I must, I will. And finally, you need to develop a ritual of massive action. Ideas are worthless without action. You can read all the books, attend all the seminars, visualize your goals every day. But if you don't take consistent action, nothing will change. Commit today that you will do something immediately. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Because momentum is power. Remember this, it's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. But I want to take this deeper, because some of you have tried before. You've tried to set goals to create change, and you've fallen short. And maybe you started believing that transformation isn't possible for you. But hear me now, failure is not the end, it's information. Every time you fell down, every time you didn't follow through, it wasn't because you're weak. It's because you didn't have enough reasons to change. When your why is strong enough, you will figure out the how. Think about it. What would you do if your family's life depended on you succeeding? What if your children's future was on the line? You'd find a way. You'd discover resources you didn't even know existed. Because necessity awakens the giant within us. So if you truly want to unleash your power, you must link massive pain to staying where you are, and massive pleasure to moving forward. If you don't, you'll always find a reason to delay, to wait for the perfect time. But the perfect time never comes. Progress loves action, not excuses. Decide today that you will no longer be a prisoner of your old identity. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are not your fears. You are the creator of your future. If you want an extraordinary life, you must demand more from yourself than anyone else could ever expect. You must develop an unstoppable mindset, the belief that no matter what happens, you will find a way. Say it with me right now. I will find a way. No matter what. Say it louder. I will find a way. No matter what. Because you are stronger than any circumstance. You are greater than any obstacle. You are more powerful than you can imagine. It's time to draw a line in the sand and say, this is the moment my life changes forever. When you look back on this day, you will remember it as the day you committed to becoming the person you were born to be. So let's not wait another minute. Let's not waste another year. It's time to unleash the power within you. Let's begin. If you found this message valuable, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about, because together, we can create a ripple of positive change in the world. Remember, you have everything it takes inside you right now. Stay strong, stay committed, and never stop growing.